Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to rhyme. We are going to practice the first sound in words, and we are going to blend sounds together to make words. Let's start with rhyming. I would like you to think of some words that rhyme with neck. Neck. So stop this, pause it, and see if you can think of a few words that rhyme with neck. Okay, did you think of peck, check, wreck, deck? They all have ek in them, so they rhyme. For our next activity, we are going to say the first sound in words. The first sound in all of these words are going to be my long vowel sounds. What is the first sound in aim? A. What is the first sound in united? U. What is the first sound in eve? E. What is the first sound in island? I. And what is the first sound in own? O. All right, our last activity. I am going to say 3 sounds and we are going to blend them together to make a word. You will notice a long vowel sound in the middle of all of these. All right, I'll say 3 sounds, then we'll repeat them and say the word. Huge. Huge, huge. Keep, keep, keep. Woke, woke, woke. Eat, eat, seat. Ate, ate, gate. Ace, ace, lace. Goal, goal, goal. Great job. See you in a little bit.